Get rid of your guilt in one powerful question. Before I share it, I want you to understand that guilt is the perception that what you've done to somebody else has more negatives than positives. What you've done to somebody else has more bad than good, right? So by balancing the scale and realizing that what you've done to that person is both equally bad and equally good, it cancels each other out and it dissolves the guilt. As an example, there was an ex-girlfriend that I felt really guilty that I broke up with because I wasn't really into her, and I broke up with her after 2 weeks. And I was feeling really guilty, but then I asked myself the question, how did what I did to her benefit her? Initially, I didn't get a response, but when I really asked myself the question, the answer started to come. Well, it actually taught her to be less emotional in the beginning of the relationship, taught her to be a little bit more objective about who she's actually dating. It taught her what it's like to experience heartache and overcoming emotional trauma early on. It taught her a lot about being able to navigate difficult emotions early on. It probably taught her to value her family and her friends more, right? So as soon as I started realizing how what I did to her wasn't so bad because it's actually benefiting her, then all of a sudden the guilt just dissipated. Now, remember, you can fool yourself and you can remove guilt from a lot of different things just by asking this question, so use it wisely. But remember, the question is, how did what I did to that person benefit them? And as soon as you stack up the answers, the guilt is gone.